Spotted Skiffias are active and generally peaceful. However, they can occasionally be nippy towards slow-moving, long-finned species such as fancy guppies. These fish make an excellent resident of the community aquarium alongside small catfish, carrakins and minnows. However, it would be best to keep these fish in a decent-sized groups containing more females than males. A ratio of 3 females to 1 male is ideal. This will help reduce the amount of attention that the females receive from the overly passionate males. It would be better if you house spotted skiffias in an aquarium with mature, well-filtered water containing plenty of shady areas made up of aquatic plants. Sumatra wood or small driftwood pieces are also ideal, as you can use both to mimic a labyrinth of tree roots found in their natural environment. The bodies of spotted skiffias are primarily a silvery colour. However, females have a few black spots, whereas the males have much larger blotches that resemble a panda-like pattern, as well as golden coloration around the anal, dorsal and caudal fin. Spotted skiffias are endemic to the Lerma River basin in Mexico in North America. Here they inhabit ditches, spring-fed ponds, quiet river channels and small lakes. Their substrate usually contains a mixture of mud, silt, sand and rocks. These fish typically prefer relatively shallow water. The vegetation in their habitats include duckweed, bulrush, water hyacinths and plenty of green algae. In addition, some habitats are abundant with roots of conifers that provide excellent hiding places and opportunities to graze on aufwuchs. In the wild, spotted skiffias graze mainly on algae growing on submerged plant stems, as well as insects on the surface of the water. Therefore, you will need to provide these fish with a varied diet in the aquarium, including dried foods such as flakes, granules and wafers, alongside frozen and live foods such as daphnia, mosquito larvae and brine shrimp. Spotted skiffias will also occasionally appreciate some vegetable matter in their diet, such as blanched spinach or similar. It is super easy to differentiate between male and female spotted skiffias. Females are usually slightly larger than males, have less patterning and are usually fuller bodied with a prominent gravid spot when they are carrion fry. In contrast, males are smaller and have much more elaborate spotting than females. It is pretty straightforward to breed spotted skiffias. When spawning, the male will line up his genital opening with the females and inseminate her. The reason for this being that males do not possess a gonopodium like other livebearers. The gestation period is usually anywhere between 6 and 8 weeks, depending on the temperature of the water. Larger, more mature females may give birth to up to 20 babies, but the average brood is usually 10 to 15. The fry will emerge relatively large and considerably well developed. It is unusual for adults to pursue and consume their young, especially in tanks with plenty of plant cover. Spotted skiffia fry is relatively easy to feed and will accept crushed flakes as well as small live and frozen foods such as cyclops daphnia and baby brine shrimp. It is recommended that you do not keep different species of skiffia together, as hybridization will occur.